Here we go. YouTube. It's been a while. We're charging the batteries here. This is from the Shunt, and we're bringing about 1611, and it's just early in the morning. Two charge controllers are bringing power. And we have one of these here on the other side where the sun is still coming up. So the other charge controller is putting more power. I gotta switch. If I have 3 devices or tablets, then I can able to see simultaneously. So I connected the other one here so you can see the actual numbers running on the charge control on the shunt combined power. And this one is the other one putting out power. The third one I can't able to show because it's on the other screen. Because you cannot open 2 devices on one device, 2 applications on one device. So I can go to the VRM, Victron remote monitor, but I haven't connected this device to the internet yet. Understand? I have the account, but I need to get the Wi-Fi shared with the Quattro. So that's what's going on right now. So we just did a sweep right there, the Mppt. But someday I will have to connect that DRM and the other charge controller. Which is facing the sun right now, pushing combined power with the top tablet. And we drop about 1593. We're going back because last night we used only about 20% of the power. We're sitting about 80%. So we're filling up back the batteries this morning. Okay. Alright, that's what I have for you guys. It's just a 3-minute video. We don't have much to talk about right now these days because of everything is just working. This one is started seeing more power coming in, and I just want to show you how our morning start with the Victron systems here in Minnesota with JW Solar USA. And thanks for watching.